Hello everyone, Ray from Babco, talking about four-post maintenance. We've done some discussion about the different ways that we can lube our cables and locks, but what we didn't talk about was the pulleys, sheaves, shivs, pick your word. What they are is a steel pulley and a steel pin. It has a bronze bushing in there. Now, sometimes some lifts will have a grease port. That's fantastic. Take your grease gun, pump, pump, pump till you see it come out. They don't all have that. So there's a keeper on one side. You're going to find these things in each gusset in the corner, and you'll find doubles back here and singles up front. But they're all similar, and they're all going to have the same issues here. What we want to see in here mostly is grease, not so much the spray lubes, although they will do if you don't want to get into knocking the thing apart. If you don't have grease ports and you have to knock it apart, we can show you how to make that happen. Now, I like using moly grease, any EP grease, which means I think extended pressure, but they all say that. It's just grease, right? These things don't move all that much. They don't move very fast. But I like the moly grease because it's got molybdenum. I think it's molybdenum disulfide or something. What that is it's black grease, and if you look at it after it's been there for a while, you take it apart, on these bronze bushings, it leaves a residual, very slippery surface, and I think it's fantastic. So they'll have a pin going through them, and they're going to be, again, in 8 places on a 4-post lift. The bigger ones, there's just one on each end. There's a spool of 4 and a spool of 2 there. If there's a grease port on that, that's the bigger lifts. Grease the hell out of it. There's no such thing as too much grease on those. It avoids shuttering and makes your parts last a whole lot longer.